I share the well, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, what's the milk?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So we're about to get right into this look. This look is like a brown, pink blonde, like, you know, the ice cream with the vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. That's this look. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it, how I created this look. So this unit was a black unit, so I went ahead and did a bleach bath to get it down to like a brown. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys how I put the tracks into the wig. So I'm prepping her skin. I cleaned it with 91% alcohol, added a skin guard, and I did 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely. And after that, I'm going to lay the lace down and then apply an elastic band, and then I blow dried her hair out.
Whatever I need is about
So to add in the colored pieces, all you do is use hair glue and then literally place it in between the tracks. So it's like you're doing a quick weave, but on a wig unit. So I just pretty much, I didn't really have a uniform place to, you know, I didn't do like white. I mean, I didn't do like blonde, pink, blonde, pink, blonde, pink. I just put it where I see fit.
Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. I said this, only thing that's the whip, baby. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me?
Alright, and when you're placing color into the frontal, you want to make sure that you measure it. These are going to be kind of smaller than the ones in the back because you don't want it to be up too close to the front of the frontal, so that you can still have your full frontal without it being a track right there.
Show me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you call me to my yard, uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm not. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Girl, babe, can you put the time on a rewind, yeah? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the land of discovery.
Alright, and now we are cutting the lace off. Let's not forget to mention, it is already scalp. Like, my wigs will guarantee you a scalp right off the bat. You don't even have to try hard. So make sure you purchase your unit from my website linked in the description below. But anyway, you want to cut off all of that excess lace, and then we're going to pull out the baby hairs, and then we're going to melt her down one more time, even though she really don't need it, but we're going to melt her down one more time.
Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see. Go tell your friends about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so chill. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Go tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on that dick.
Alright, and after I finish styling, I'm now going to get into the baby hairs. So I did go in and pluck out the baby hairs just a little bit, and then I'm going to cut them and curl them and then lay them.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lost
just doing my finishing touches, and this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.